Hi friends. Uh, in this video, we'll see what is polymorphism. It is also an OOPS concept. Uh, Polymorphism is very useful in our day-to-day programming. Uh, it means the same method name can behave differently depending on object which calls it. Okay, so polymorphism are of two types: static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. You can also call it runtime polymorphism or compile time polymorphism. Okay, so I will show you an example. Now suppose we have a calculator class. One minute. Okay, now suppose we are having a calculator class. It is having all three methods, but all the methods are having same name. So this is only the main point. uh, Polymorphism is mainly same, using same method name you can do different functionalities. So like we are having add method here, we are having add method, one more add method and one more. So we have three add methods, but just please notice one thing, that in this add method we are having two parameters, integer a and integer b. Okay, and here we are retaining just a plus b, and this, in this method we are having double a and double b. Here we are using a different data type. Okay, and we are doing addition of both. And in this add method we are having three parameters, means I mean three numbers we are doing addition and returning. So this is mainly a compile time, you can say compile time polymorphism, or you can also say static polymorphism. So now whenever you do any coding, you can call any one of them or all of them. So I will show you this. Here we are creating a calculator class, and in this we are calling calculator add method, say 5 comma 10. Okay, here you are passing integer. In this calculator add method we are calling double, you are doing addition of double numbers. Okay, and then here you are passing three integers. Okay, so this is, you can say, you are implementing a static polymorphism or compile time polymorphism. Okay, so there is one more thing, we have a dynamic polymorphism, or you can also say runtime polymorphism. In that we are overriding methods of base class into a derived class. Okay, so this static polymorphism, you can also say method overloading. Okay, so these are method overloading example. And dynamic polymorphism we can achieve by inheritance. Say we are having an animal class, having one method speak, and we are having this virtual, so that you can override in derived class. uh, Next we are doing creating a dog class and inheriting from animal class. Okay, so, and we are overriding the speak method, and we are also creating a class cat from animal, and you are overriding speak method. But see, the implementation is different in both the class. uh, in dog speak method, you are writing in dog barks, mean you can implement whatever logic you want. And here also you can add any logic as per class requirement. So main thing is method name is same, but implementation is different at runtime. So here also I will see how we are using this. See, we are creating animal class dog, and here we are creating animal class cat, and we are calling a1 speak, a2 speak. Okay, so this is called runtime polymorphism, so that you are calling same method name, but implementation is different. Okay. 1 minute friends. Okay, so we'll once run this code and we'll see how it works. Okay, well, now we are calling polymorphism. Okay, you go inside, now say F10. Here you are creating calculator class, but you are calling different add methods, okay, which is, you can say, method overloading or compile time polymorphism. And here you are creating animal class, dog and cat. Both are having same methods but different implementation. So this is getting executed at runtime. Okay, you can also say see the logs that we are passing this number. It is returning the total of two integers. Here it is giving a total of double number, that is 6.2, and here it is returning a total of 3 integers. And here we are writing in runtime, we are writing dog barks and cat meows. Okay, so this is how polymorphism works. I hope you all understood, friends. Okay, okay. Thank you. Do subscribe our channel if you like. Thank you, friends. Bye.